Hello, hello, people. Welcome back. Welcome back on another stream, another live stream, another trading day we're having today. Welcome back. Hello to everyone who are joining. Hello to everyone who is new in the group. And welcome to a new trading session today. So we directly dive in. We're checking the news today. We don't have any high impact news. We have one medium impact. We are currently in the London session, so we try to make our move, our entry before the New York session this month. Always before New York currently. So let's instantly dive in, guys. Let's instantly dive in. Like always, let's start with the daily time frame. Let's clean up everything a little bit. Yesterday, the price even shooted way more high. Look at this. We just dipped into this previous high, the all-time high, almost we had. And we're getting some weaknesses up here. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 long wicks to the upside, which is an indicator that we have some struggles up there. So we have to be aware today with our move. Let's clean up the zone also. Let's mark out our previous highs and lows from the previous daily candle. Somewhere here and here. Looks fine so far. And let's dive in. 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame, we are still in this beautiful uptrend, as you can see here, but we have actually a really good zone here. We need to draw this zone here. Yo, my man. Yo, Jerry. The king of the kings. The one who made 5.2 thousand profit yesterday with our trading move. Hello, my friend. How you doing? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. How you doing, bro? Looking for buys today. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Working as always. Keep working, bro. Keep working. So let's check out the sessions. Let's go a little bit closer in. We have a nice zone here currently where we are at. So New York made this low here, which is exactly here. Also in the previous session, New York dipped into the zone. And then once again dipped into the zone and reversed. We have here a really good buy side liquidity. That was our entry yesterday, actually. So in this zone here, we have buy side liquidity. Let's stay in the 15-minute for a few moments. Buy side liquidity. So so far. Where we have a good amount of sell side liquidity. We have here a nice sellish move, but we have a new one up here. So let's mark this Sydney and Tokyo high just in here and call this also sell side liquidity. All right, let's close up the sessions. So we are currently like really soft in uptrend, but almost in a ranging market. Like we're getting like a consolidation here in the market right now because we hit these highs all the time on the upper level. We have 1, 2, I would say 3 and 4 dips into this daily zone here, where we had the last big sell-off. But we have a good chance today or tomorrow to break through this level and make some new all-time highs, because we have a steady uptrend in the daily time frame. As you can see here, we have multiple touch points in this area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we came again in here, 6, 7, I would say, and maybe we are going to retest this downside here, the trend line, and regaining some strength to push through this daily all-time high that we had in the previous sessions. Let's see what the market has to offer today. Let's see how the market is reacting to the zones right now. So here we had the previous highs of the daily time frame and the previous low. It's like a really little gap. As you can see, price also just touched this zone here and instantly got rejected. And now let's see if we are going to crack this level below us, or if we're going to gain some strength and volume to push further up. And the 5-minute time frame, like we are in a ranging market and below the moving average line right now. And we didn't get like any crazy push here, as you can see. We had like this downtrend, and exactly here we cracked it. A nice block in here, 1, 2, 3 big candles, but we couldn't push through this level here. So this level is going to be important for us today also, because we have multiple touch points and we couldn't push through it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 touch points in this area. Valid zone for us in this trading session. What I don't like to trade is arranging markets, and for me right now it's arranging markets. Let's see. I see, Jerry, you're already in a buying position. Really early one. Really early one, okay. Sorry. Let me... Let me drink my tea. So we have to stay focused, guys. We have to be concentrate. We need to check the candle behaviors at this level. Let's dive in the 1 minute. So we have a nice reaction, as you can see here. This is the previous daily high. We tipped, we dipped in it, and boom, 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 boom. We shoot up really good amounts just in here. This is a 1000 pip move. But right now we're getting weak. And let's see the current move from London. What did London do? So London open up somewhere here in the middle and continue as Tokyo with the down push. Twice we came down here. London couldn't break this previous low. Thousand pips where? This move here from down here to up here. Here. Like this move was even 1500 almost. I was with my coworker only. I only heard 1000 pips. Well, you have here a measuring size tool and trading view. And you can see the lowest low and the highest high we made in the London session, and it's 1500 pips. From down here, from 308 up to 323. The pips in percentage. So let's see if we can crack this level, or if we are going to be stable and break this previous high here and dip back into the uptrend in the 5 minute. What price loves to do is this move when we have like first rejection, push out, and then dip back in here. We don't have enough power to break this level. We have a stable area. We have many buyers in the market. Then we are going to crack this level and possibly maybe this level. As soon as we crack this level, we have a really high chance to continue with the further up push. But right now we are squeezing in the market. As you can see in the 50-minute time frame, we are right now in the in a ranging market. We are consolidating. We don't have like any clear direction right now. It's just like a slight up and down. So what we want in trading is like clear breakouts, clear big moves, big reactions, fast reactions. Then we know that is something happening in the market. So 30 minutes is going to end in 60 minutes. If this is going to close like this, we may slip further down. 1 hour time frame. Yeah, that's like a messed up. That's like a messed up market right now. It's going to be really squishy for us to make a nice entry today, because we are squeezing in the markets and we are really close to the previous all-time high. But let's see what the market has to offer. I want to see clear confirmations. I need clear confirmations. Let's check a little bit more the left side. Let's check it in again, this daily. Look at this price pushed up here where the sell side liquidity is and get rejected again. So on the 12th December we couldn't push through it. 15 December we couldn't push through the zone. It was after the weekend. Friday, Monday, Tuesday we couldn't push, and right now we couldn't push, but we still are bullish. I mean we have a certain reaction on it, but we still bullish the daily. Let's check out the 1 minute time frame. If you watch 1 hour, it shows possible up. Let's check Jerry's advice. Yeah, as you can see here, we have 1 touch point, we have almost 2. Like, we didn't touch like clearly, but this one touched definitely on this level. And it's depending on how this candle is going to close, because at 1 we're going to have definitely some reaction of the market, but for me it's still no real confirmation to make any decision here. Rejection to the downside. Yeah, this is correct. It is correct. This candle here is definitely a rejection to the downside, but right now it seems like buyers are not in the market because we are pushing further this direction. So it's no any confirmation for me. After a candle like this, we need like a big up push, you know? That's what I'm looking for. I tell you what I'm looking for. Something like this, like yesterday. We touched this area here from the previous session here. As you can see here, we had yesterday here our buy side liquidity. We touched into the zone. We had like a slight bearish candle. After this candle, like the big move, then we made like this breakthrough here from this trend line with this candle, and after this candle we shoot up and we hit 3 take profit targets with only this 1 candle here. In the 5 minute it was this big one here, which was nice. So this is what I'm looking for, Jerry. I'm looking for a clear push, a clear reaction from the market. In 1 minute candle we have this certain reaction, but for me it's still a little bit weak. Now we're getting some reactions from the market. Like a beautiful push. New 5 minute candle open, last 10 minutes for open the new 1 hour candle. Look at this rally now. And we dipped into the zone here. You see this? How the market just reacted on this? Beautiful reaction. Yeah, something like this. Like we have like some resistance up here in this level. We make here like a little fake out, dip back in, and retest this area once again. Let's wait. I want that the 1 hour candle open, man, and 9 minutes. The 1 hour candle is going to be important for us. But if you are going to close this bullish, so no financial advice at this point. I'm going to buy this. No financial advice at this point. I'm going to buy this just in here. Let's open some multiple positions. Because we are a scalper, we scalp. And as a scalper, we have multiple positions that we are going to open. The 1 hour time frame. Okay, we opened our positions. So let me send the team the data. And we are looking for this highs here, man. Like this highs will be insane, but I'm aiming like let's take like this 33 mark. 33 mark looks fine for me. 33, and let's set the stop loss below this wick here. Below this one. You see on my MetaTrader on my phone. 19. At 12 or 12, let's send this up. So let's start to mark out our zones. First take profit is at 21. Second one, 23. 25 and 33. Let's mark it out as TP1 in here. Let's clear this off. TP2. TP3. And TP4 just in here, something like this. So let's set the alarm. The first one is It's going to be 21. And our stop loss at 12. This is our entry model. So 21, 23. $25 and $33. Let the market do its move. And let's stay calm. Okay, everything is set so far. Let's see what the market has to offer. Let's see. So we are pushing down a little bit, which is fine. 1 hour candle is going to open soon. What did I do? So let's check. Yeah, we have some crazy push to the downside, but it's fine. Let him test this below zone. You want to just test it. That's what I'm thinking. And there we have some wick once again in the zone here. So we have here a level that is supporting us right now. And we have to crack this level and the upside. And we have to crack this level in order to hit take profit 2. So we can mark out this also. And let's just wait and drink tea. That's what we are doing, waiting and drinking tea. Rejection to the downside, possible. I still trusting this move because of this big wick. And the possibility that price is going to retap in this area here, even when we break this level and get a high rejection. If we're going down here, well, it's unlucky. It's happened in the market. But if we take a loose, we take a loose, guys. This is what trading is about. Like, I'm not going to risk like this amount of stop loss. I'm going to be here. It's fine. If the market wants to stop us out, it can do, but... So, 10 seconds to go. 1 hour time frame. Let's see what the candle is going to do here now. 1 hour candle is open. First push is directly a rally and reversing to the downside. Let's see. Let's see. So we have to crack this level here, man. Like this level. We have so many rejections up here. And we are dipping into the zone. Hopefully our support here is strong enough. In a 1 minute time frame, it's looking like this currently. We have a squeezing market once again, a lot of volume. And when we check out this measure from here up to here, you can see here this 382 line is the area where price is getting stable. We're getting a nice 1 minute time frame push. But we still have 3 minute 30 to go. So let's see if we can crack this level here above. Business of patience, guys. That's what we're doing. This is a business of patience. For most of you, maybe this is going to be similar. Is like a bullish flag pattern. What we can see here is the bullish pillar, and here is the flag. Similar to it, but not 100%. But the fact is we have a squeezing market here. And what we are waiting for is now that we have this buyers that was early in here, that we have enough buying power to make and adjust some more buying orders here in this area to break finally this level and then break this level, so to have a potential reversal. Right now for the buyers it's looking really weak. So let's measure out in case we had to take profit 4. It's going to be 1.4 1400 pips, something like that. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. I am be right back. I am back. To be calm in the markets is really important, guys. Like, even when you are inside the position, even when we are in drawdowns, even when we're going to hit a stop loss or take profit. It's the key to trading, guys. I'm telling you, this is the key to trading. So, 1 minute time frame. We have this beautiful line. As you can see, we're trying to crack this level where we had like multiple rejections, all of it. And we wait for the great push. As soon as we crack this level, we have a nice push. And as soon as we crack this level and we close above this, under this line here, under the support we have, and maybe retest it, there's a high risk that we are going to lose this trade. But this is the setup we trade today as a breakout strategy, and we are totally fine with it. As you can see here, man, we have a lot of volume in here right now. Like, there's a lot of, like, the buyers and sellers are like, why the fuck my door? 1 second. So, we have big bearish moves once again here. 30 seconds to go with this candle. Not the best reaction right now. And this might be a breakthrough the downside. Let's see, guys. If we lose together. If we win, we win. That's part of trading. So the 1 minute is more interesting for us now. Let's check the 1 hour candle. Come on, buyers, enter the market. Enter the market, buyers. Where are you, buyers? Come into the market. Break the zone. Come on, buyers. Do. Man, that's not good. Right now, it's not looking good for us. Let's see if we can get a reaction out of this zone here from this low but the steepness of the bearish move is really dangerous for us right now. So we break this level below here, which can lead all the way down to the downside. But we don't close our entries because when we hit the stop loss, we hit it. That's part of the game. We need to be disciplined with this kind of motions and these moves because the market can always be foolish. Somehow the buyers still not enter the market. We have a nice candle closure in the 1 minute. This could be also a retest of the zone. Let's see. Let's see. So we're getting a certain reaction of this left side candle here, where we just got rejected, which is okay. But I want to be above this level and close above this level. Another nice candle closure here in the 1 minute time frame. It's fine. We slip back to this area here. What is 5 minute doing? 5 minute closed, also beautiful. But we have still this big candle that we had previously. And this candle can put his shadow to this engulfing one. So we are still not safe, guys. Let's see. We are still not safe. Beautiful push, beautiful rally, beautiful breakthrough. And 3 seconds to go. If we close like this, I would love to. Beautiful closure. Beautiful closure. Beautiful breakout, guys. Here we go. This is the breakout we was expecting. Now we have to close like this. We have to close on this line and this level. As you can see, we break through this line, the trend line. Buyers are coming inside the market. Seems like it for now, but we are still not safe. So let's wait. We still have this level here. Here's a little level and also up here. And the 5 minutes. We still have 3 minutes to go. Beautiful shot. We are back at entries. Beautiful push. So the next level will be here in the 5 minutes, where the moving average is. When we can break through it, will be a nice indicator, and when we close above it, will be really nice. But we have a big candle move here in the 5 minutes. Nice candle closure here too. And we continue with the up push. 1 minute 50 to go in the 5 minute candle. Now we just hit the moving average. Great push, man. Great push. I think we are about to hit our take profit 1 target here. We are deep in profits already. So let's make ourselves ready. Take profit 1 is incoming. Seems like this. When we close also like this, we'll be really happy here. One minute to go. Beautiful. Take profit 1 just got hit, guys. Our first take profit target just got smashed. $30 seconds to go with this candle. Is a big candle. So manage your risk, manage your trade by your own. If you want to go break even, go break even. If you want to leave it open, leave it open. So we are taking some profits. So let's set the alarm to the next take profit target, which is going to be 23. Up here, we have this strong level here. Let's see if we can break through it. Great push. We continue nice with the upwards push. We close really beautiful. We have a nice breakout. The buyers are coming in the market. And the 50-minute candle is insanely shooting up. And we are about to hit our take profit 2 targets. Take profit 2 just got hit, as you can hear. And now I'm going on full break even. I am setting my trade on full break even here. Congratulations for everyone who took this trade. Congratulations for the profits we made so far. Beautiful entry model once again. TP2 just got hit. Oops. That's what I want here. So beautiful push. Let's continue with the up push and let's set our alarm to the next target, which is going to be 25. My break even. I'm on full break even. And I already made some profits. Some people are commenting my reel that I posted yesterday, like the risk reward you have is bullshit. Who's taking who's taking profits in the first take profit target and stuff like that. I'm like, bro, currently I'm having, first of all, a winning streak of 7 trades in a row. The second one is that I have currently a win rate with 84% of winning trades. The third one is I made a winning streak of 27 trades in a row. So for me, this entry model is working. So I don't know what's going on. Like for me, this entry model is working. There are some people who do ICT. There are some people who just go inside with one position. I am entering the market with multiple position. And what I learned from a mentor is you're just a cat who's trying to drink water in the market. So there's a lot of water, there's a lot of liquidity, and you're just sitting on the side and you just try to get some dips of it. And this TP1, TP2, TP3 are the dips for it. As soon as we hit this, or as soon as we hit take profit 2, we're going on zero risk. We have nothing to lose anymore. We already made some profits. So people are sometimes like, they do trades like with high with high goals, and then the trade is reversing in the half where they was already in profits like 2,000, 3,000, but then the market is turning to them and they hitting their stop loss or break even and they made nothing out of it. I don't like this kind of entry model. Like I'm not the guy who's going to trade something like this. I'm the guy, as soon as I'm going to the market, I predict the move is working, so I start to gaining my profits. You know, I start to harness some profits. The point is to make like big moves, like with big goals is really hard, man. It's really, really hard to catch moves like this. I know there are some entry models, but I am not going to bet and I am not going to invest my energy into this kind of entry models. You know what I mean? Like taking early profits is key in trading, man. Taking early profits are key in trading. And that's what I'm doing. That's amazing, 84%, yes. I'm really happy with this. And as you know, guys, when we was down here, our emotions was triggering. My emotions was also triggering. But we need to be steady with this kind of emotions. So there's a high possibility we make a drawdown maybe to this half, and maybe I get stopped out. Hopefully not. Because we have like this big wick here on the top. And also, guys, you need to be aware, market, like trading can be so foolish. So why I should have like really high goals and I'm in the middle of a trade and I didn't take any profits, man. You need to remember, we are competing against the smartest people in the world. We are trading against the people who are sitting behind the banks, who are sitting in the market with a lot of capital, who are making moves that we can't predict always. So for it's easy to be like the little cat on the side, just dipping some water and then making nap like this cat here in the background, you know? This is what we do. So what is happening here in the 1 minute time frame? So we cracked this level. Maybe we're going to retest this level. But we got highly rejected at this level here on the left side. Anyways, still a good move that we catched with TP1 and TP2. 5 minutes is recovering itself, hopefully. and not slip back through this moving average. 50-minute time frame is going to, this candle is going to close really bullish. And it's a breakout candle. It's really nice. Yeah, let the market do its thing. Oh. Alright, I'm going to leave this like this. I'll be right back, guys. So we're getting some rejection up here. Let's see. How did the 50-minute candle close? Yeah, it's fine. 50-minute candle closed like up this level. Look at this big candle here. And of course, we are going to retest a little bit this level here. Hopefully, we are not going to hit the break even. If it hits, it's fine. We made some decent profits. Yeah, something like almost 500 pips, but anyway, it's fine. We are making just profits, guys. This is the most important in trading. Just make profits. Just make profits, my friend. But we have a level, guys. Like, this is definitely a level here where we have some reactions on it. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 touch points at this level. This is a decent level here. But we still have like this big candle in the 5-minute time frame and also the big candle in the 15-minute. Let's see. And my break even is hit. Break even hit for me. It's fine. It's fine. So guys, we catch that move. Was not the biggest breakout. We don't have like that much power, it seems like here. And also we had like this certain level where we had like multiple touch points. We couldn't push through it. Of course I set a break even already. We had to take profit too. Sometimes I set my break even already at TP1. It's depending on the market conditions. And soon as I hit take profit 2, I'm going full break even. Always. Always. I'm going full break even on take profit 2. This is my setup. I'm in drawdown. Sorry for you. I'm looking for all-time highs, man. Alright. Alright. So New York is going to open in like 30 minutes. This 50-minute candle is trying to push the shit out of it. Out of this candle. It's really interesting to see. But for you, Jerry, it's still not over. Like when you see like this candle is going to close the previous 50-minute candle in a really strong way, then maybe you should think to readjust your stop losses. But it's still not over. We have 2:40 to go with this 5-minute candle here. So we can clean up a little bit. Unfortunately, we hit our break even at TP2. Like TP2 was hit and then we went to break even. And there are also days like this. This is what we call risk management, guys. And some people out there like saying like, hey, your risk reward is bullshit and blah 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 blah. Okay, why I am then so profitable? Why I am still making money when it's so bullshit? But there are always people who are barking, like always. Like you can do whatever you want. You can be the best in whatever you do. And there are still some people who are going to blame your trading style, or going to blame the way you're living, or going to blame how you drive a car, or whatever. There are always people who try to be better with their comments as you. So you can never be enough for anyone. That's what I learned with this kind of people. So Jerry, I'm going to check for you. 6 minutes to go. It's looking brutally, man. It's looking brutally. And now imagine, guys, we had like a trading model where we like set up here the take profit target, like the ICT traders. And we was already in a decent profit, like we was like almost halfway up. We was in a good amount of profits. We didn't adjust our stop loss, and now we will go and hunt our stop loss. Like this kind of emotions and this type of trading style, I'm not going to support this, man. I'm not this kind of trader. I'm not that squishy trader that's going to do this kind of entry models, man. So what's your plan now here, London session? What are you doing? Like, what is going on, London? London, what are you doing, London? Your plan was to touch this trend line? Oh, look at this. Break through it. And instantly got a reaction out of it. You see this? Touch. And this closure here. Like, dipped in. But we are still in a really steep downtrend here from this upper level. $50 minutes is the last 5 minutes to go. So we can mark out this level here again. Can clean up a little bit. We break this level already. And we can take this out and redraw this zone here. Man, this is a big reaction of the market with the 50-minute one. That's a big reaction. I'm really curious to see how this is going to go. Like how this candle is going to close. Going to wait this 3 minutes. And then I think I'm going to end the live stream. Because we made already our profits for today. And we go slow and steady. Man, this is insane. What is going on? Man, there's a really strong zone up here, man. Imagine this. There's a really strong zone up here. Like we squeezed in here, we made a lot of volume. We make a nice breakout out of the zone, shoot it up and couldn't break the zone here. And now we are back at where this big candle started. This is insane. This is an insane move. $50-minute candle going to close in 30 seconds. This is definitely a strong consolidation, man. And this breakout even couldn't push through the zone with that much volume is insane. Yeah, the 15-minute candle closed really bullish. Bearish, I mean, sorry. Okay, that's it for me today. We hit take profit 1 and 2 and then we get stopped out at break even, which is fine. We are in a consolidating market. We are about to open the New York session in 40 minutes. I'm happy before New York open. We have a really foolish market with crazy consolidating market structure currently. We got rejected here in this top level. We made this big candle as our breakout level and took profits out of it. Somehow we couldn't push through the zone. And the market is back at this level here. So we are not going to risk anymore before New York is going to open. It makes no sense. Because New York have some hell moves. I don't want to be sit in for today and also this month. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the profits, guys. We made almost 500 pips with that take profit 1 and 2 targets. See you tomorrow, I would say. Today is Wednesday, then we have Thursday, tomorrow and Friday. There are 2 more days to go where we want to be really carefully taking our profits. And Jerry, I hope you're going to have like a nice breakout, man. This is the bad part because your take profit is somewhere on the moon, and your stop loss is also in the hell. So hopefully for you that the price with New York is going to shoot up and break this level here so you can hit your take profit. So guys, see you tomorrow. Enjoy the profits. Love you all. Bye bye.